Hi, welcome back to creating a basic MVC framework with PHP. So this is part 2 and today we're going to look at controllers. Let's get started. Just move this out from episode 1. So let's start working on our base controller. Oh, sorry. Base controller. Okay, so our base controller is here, so we have like a standard for all controllers, so we can define functionality in this and we can ensure that methods are present in all controllers. It's going to be an abstract class because we don't want to instantiate it anyway. Abstract class base controller. We're also going to need an abstract function. So what this means is that every controller that extends base controller must implement abstract public function index. So index will be like the main sort of control thing. Well, let's go to our index controller. Oops. Tab new. Controllers, index control. So let's set this up now. So it's going to be class index controller extends base controller. Oops. Okay, so let's include this in our finger, in our index.php. I'm just going to use index.php for all the the global sort of stuff, like the configuration and all that. Some people like to make a config.php, but I'll just keep it on this one for keep. You know what I mean? Yeah, all in one place. So it's controllers / index controller. So happens there. So we get an error. Oh, no such file directory. Oops, hold on. Sorry about that. So we get an error because we have an abstract method in our base controller that we're not implementing in our index controller. So we must implement public function index in all controllers. Yeah, that's it. So index controller is going to be like our home page. So say we go to mysite.com, index controller is what will be loaded in there eventually. And public function index will be the controller's first method sort of. So this we're going to just do I'm just going to call method. Okay, so here we're going to do actually no, we won't do that. Oops. We're going to do call user func array. This is what our router will do in a later episode, but on a better scale so it can be more flexible. So call user func is going to accept an array because we're using objects. So one's going to be the object name, so it's going to be index controller. Oops. And the second one is going to be the method, so it's going to be index. So index controller index. So what's going on here is we're using controls, but we're not rooting yet. So we'll do that later. So we've only got like one controller going on at a time now. So for now we'll call controllers done there, and we'll get back to them at a later episode when we've completed a router. So let's have a look at the base model. Oops, again. Base model. So just like the base control, this will define basic functionality for the base model. So it's up to you to edit this. So abstract class base model. Let's go back to our post model. Let's create our post model. So again, we're pretending that this is going to be a blog. So class posts model extends base model. So our post model is more than likely going to need some sort of entries or something. Let's say so public function get entries. Okay, so entries is going to be an array. So return equals array. Return 0 equals array. title is going to be Hello World. And then return, so that one's going to be Hello Universe. Okay, so let's just test that. Again, so this is it for this episode. This is just a quick episode, for getting started on controllers and models. Obviously, we're not linked to the two yet, and that'll come in episode 4, I think. So, but you got to look forward to the next episode. We'll look at the registry. So, thanks for watching. See you.